So, before you judge me to filth, I have my earrings taped on because, it's a long story, girl. Basically, my piercer gave me this jewelry that literally will not come off unless he takes it off. So, I couldn't even take off my actual, like, the actual jewelry that's in my ear. If you guys don't know, I got my ears pierced 5 weeks ago. And like I said, the jewelry that I have does not come off. It's literally the worst thing ever. My ears are already healed and I've been wanting to wear new earrings for the longest, and like it's impossible to take out this jewelry, so I had to yet again duct tape earrings onto my ears again. It's like so annoying, but whatever, I look pretty, so that's all that matters. But yeah guys, so for today's video I wanted to do something very sexy and hot and kind of natural. But honestly, I'm not wearing any wing liner or anything like that. That's like literally the only thing that I didn't do today, which is something that's crazy because I always do wing liner. But yeah, I wanted to do something very sultry, very sexy. And the eye look was actually very easy to do, not gonna lie. I know I always say that, but trust me, this eye look was not that difficult to do. I did use the Morphe 35G palette for today's look, and I'm really excited because this palette is actually really good. So yeah guys, without any further ado, if you want to know how to get this sexy, sultry look, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, so since this video is going to be a short one, I'm trying to keep it as short as possible because I always take so long when doing my makeup and I always ramble the most. And I don't know if you guys like longer videos or if you guys like shorter videos. Personally, when I watch my favorite beauty gurus or YouTubers, I usually like watching their videos when it's like 30 minutes to 20 minutes because I just like sitting down and just watching them. So if you guys like me doing longer videos, then let me know down below because I would do longer videos, but I just feel like I get really annoying, so that's why I'm going to be doing a short video today. So right now I'm going to be priming with the Farsali Unicorn Essence Primer Oil. I love this stuff. It's literally the best. Girl, it got in my mouth. So I'm actually really excited to try this new product. It is the Farsali Jelly Beam Jelly Highlighter. It is literally a highlighter in a jelly form. Many people have reviewed and tried this product and I've been hearing really good things about it, and I'm just really excited to try it out. Now Farsali did send me this as PR and I'm so grateful because girl, this shit is a little bit expensive and I really have been wanting to try it. I almost bought it, but thank God I didn't because they actually sent it to me and I am so honored and grateful. So I am just going to apply this. Oh, bitch. Okay. Just gonna apply it underneath my foundation for now. And I do want to see how it applies with a beauty blender because I've been hearing that if you apply it with a beauty blender, it's like easier, but I don't know. I've had bad experiences with liquid highlighters and beauty blenders, so I feel like blending it out with my fingers is a much better thing to do. As you can see, blending it out with a beauty blender does not help at all. Blending it out with your fingers is much better. I love how I just smacked it all over my forehead. You guys have to be really careful with this product because it does dry down, and you want to make sure that you blend it out really quick before it dries down. So now I'm just gonna be color correcting like I normally do. We are going for full fish fantasy tonight, mama. Well, this morning because it's literally 7 in the morning. And we are trying to go for that full fish fantasy. I am trying to go for a really sexy, hot fish hooker. Not really hooker, but more of like a sweet little girl. Not really that either. That's kind of weird. But I'm trying to go for some shit, you know? Now I'm going to go in with my lavender corrector. So once I've color corrected, and now I'm going to be doing my foundation like I always do it. So before I bore you to death, I'm going to be kind of skipping this step, so yeah. Alrighty, so I have my face and brows done and one eye off camera. As you can see, I did something Very basic stuff that I always do and that every beauty guru does. A half cut crease. I just wanted to I don't know. I just love these like eyeshadow looks so much on myself. I feel like they complement my eyes so much. But as you can see, I didn't do a wing liner today. I just, let the eyeshadow do its thing, and yeah. But for today's look, I am using the Morphe 35G. No, sorry, the Morphe 25G Grand Glam palette. It is their new palette that recently just came out, I believe. I think it came out on the 11th. I'm not really sure, but it recently just came out, and actually mine came broken. As you can see, this eyeshadow over here came completely shattered. I mean, I don't blame Morphe because that's never happened ever, but I'm pretty sure it happened during like on its way to my house. I feel like it broke, but this is what it looks like. It's absolutely stunning. I love this palette already. The eyeshadows are obviously extremely pigmented. Like, what else can you expect from Morphe? So for my transition color, I'm going to be using this pinky shade over here. Alright guys, so with a brush called the Blender by Bare Minerals, I'm just going to be blending this out very softly, making sure that the color is still there, but making sure that you flare it out really, really, really nicely, and make sure that it's completely and utterly blended out. Guys, that pigment is unreal. Like, wow. Then to darken that, I'm going to be using this shade over here. And with a Morphe M508 brush, I'm just going to be applying this underneath that transition color that we just applied, just to darken this out a little bit more and to give us that nice pigmented look. I'm sorry, I have not slept at all. Then on the outer corner, I'm going to be using this dark shade to give us more depth and dimension. And with a Morphe Y18 brush, I'm just going to be applying this color on the outer corner of my eyelid, like trying to keep it as in the outer corner as much as possible. Once that crease is cut, I'm going to be using this pink shimmery shade on the outer corner of that crease. Now I'm just going to be applying this shade on the outer corner of that cut crease. Then in the inner corner of my crease, I'm going to be using this light champagne-y shade over here. Now I'm just going to be going back and making sure that we add back that darkness in the outer corner, just to make sure everything is utterly blended out. Now for my lower lash line, I'm going to be doing the exact same thing I did on my eyes. Yeah. So I use the dark brown to basically underline my lower lash line. Then I'm going to be going in with that reddish shade just to blend this out. Then with just a tad bit of that pink, I'm just going to be blending out that, that's why I said a tad, because this happened. Oh my god, I'm so pissed. Then I'm going to clean up that edge just to make it as sharp as possible. Alrighty, now using Glazed Donut by Nikki Tutorials and Ofra Cosmetics, I'm going to be using this shade to highlight my inner corner. Yes, bitch. Now I'm going to line my waterline with some Fake Away by Tarte Cosmetics. So I'm not going to be doing a wing liner today like I said, but I did add a small black line just for the lashes to have something to grasp onto, if you know what I mean, so that my eyes won't look weird. Now I'm going to be putting on my eyelashes and mascara off camera, and I will be right back. Alrighty guys, so lashes are on, and these lashes on the top right here are Miami So Extra lashes. They're literally called Miami So Extra quotation marks. And then my bottom lashes are the Precious Lashes by House of Lashes. Now I'm going to be going in with some Hoola bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics. Do I even have to say what blush I'm going to be using today? Do I have to? And I'm also going to be using a little bit of that pure blush that I used in my last video. The one that I received in my BoxyCharm box. It's such a beautiful blush. And it kind of preps the skin for highlighter, which is what I love. Because you guys know I love to glow. Now, I am a little bit skeptical because I never do this, but I'm going to be using a teeny bit of the Jelly Beam highlighter on my cheeks, and I'm honestly just going to hope for the best because I don't want to f up my makeup. So let's hope for the best. Alrighty, so that dries so fast. Like, I'm kind of like, I feel bamboozled because that really dried way faster than I anticipated. I feel like I look kind of crazy. I don't know. Like, it dried way too fast. Now I'm going to dust off all of this powder, this bake. Alrighty, so now I'm going to spray my face with some Fix Plus to prep for highlight. The highlighter does look a little pretty. I just feel like you need to blend that out like a ninja because it will dry out on you really quickly, and it is a little bit frustrating to work with when it's dry. So you have to be really mindful of that. So for highlighter today, I'm going to be using this highlighter over here right next to the blush that I used. I love this so much. It literally gives me the most beautiful glow ever. Oh, yes. Alrighty guys, so now to finish off this look, I'm going to be going in with this liquid lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade called Rock Sand. Oh, literally obsessed with this shade. I literally always have trouble putting on my lips, but these are the lips, and honestly, I am just so obsessed with this look. I feel like I've done a billion looks like this, but I'm always obsessed with my looks, you guys. Like, if you can't love yourself, how in the hell are you gonna love somebody else? You feel me? So now I'm going to be setting my face with some Fix Plus. I know this is not setting spray, but who cares? Now I'm going to be putting on some hair and accessories, and I will be right back with the final look. Bitch, I don't know why I'm talking so soft and elegant, bitch. I'm a mother man. And I better act like one. I'm kidding. I am soft and beautiful and sweet. Alrighty guys, so this is the completed look. I did go through it a little bit because I was trying to put on these earrings, and girl, I got my ears pierced like 5 weeks ago, and they already healed. I mean, I do sometimes get like that little white liquid that comes out of your ear and the crust, which is absolutely normal when you get a piercing. That means it's healing. But the actual jewelry that the piercer gave me, like that's in my ear right now, it is so hard to take off, literally impossible to take off, and it doesn't really hurt, but I have to literally go back to the piercer to take it off. So I decided to just duct tape some earrings in the back of my ears because that's the only way these earrings were gonna be on my ears. So what a hassle. But these earrings were given to me by my best friend Eva, if you're watching this, I love you so much. Literally, she gave me these earrings for Christmas and I am so like obsessed with them. I've been wanting to wear them for a look forever, and it sucks that I don't actually have them on, but hey, whatever, they're on. But yeah, guys, this is the completed look. I wanted to add some fur and, you know, this natural looking bob that I straightened myself. I do have my real hair right here, but I don't know, I just wanted to go all out. You guys know that I always go all out in all my videos. So do I look pretty? What do you think? I think I look sexy, gorgeous. I don't know. What do you think? But nonetheless, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any other ideas that you want me to do, anything that you have in mind, let me know down below and I will get to it as soon as I can. My Instagram and Twitter is MorphineLove MUA, and my Snapchat is MorphineLove. I will also be putting that down below as well. I love you guys so much, and please stay safe.